अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम लोग इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वर्ड से। व्हाट इज इंजीनियरिंग? इंजीनियरिंग इज using your brain to build and fix things, make life easier. Like when you stack Lego blocks to make a stronger bridge, engineers do same thing, but with real life building cars and robots and things like that. Like we have bridges and buildings and cars, robot in front of us that is made it by engineers, and they use their brain to fix and build the things to make our life easier. For example, bridge that help us to cross the train path and rivers and valleys. Same thing. Engineer do that all things. Let us go on how. To learn engineering, you can start with building things with block or drawing how these things work, or using simple tools like tape and paper to create fun projects. Number two, ask questions about how things work, like how car moves, how to make buildings uh, strong, how to make robot walk. The more you try, the more you learn. More you, the more you try. Sorry, the more you try, the more you learn. This is all about on your trying. After that, we will go on why. Why we learn engineering? So the answer of this is that because without engineer, we won't have bridges to cross rivers, even valleys. We have to walk through the valley, and even we have no car like that we have right now. So we can't travel faster. We have to use horses, and they will make our travel to months or maybe years. And we won't have phones to talk, friends, and even we can't do anything global too. So this is the just ad- disadvantage without engineer. So they solve problem to make life better. Just like when you fix your toys so they work again. Like you have a robot toy that sing when you on it, but when water make it so you will fix it and then you can use it again. It will sing again. So in the end, engineers solve real world problems, designing technology, infrastructure, and innovations that improve our daily life from speech to AI. They shape the future and make world smarter, safer, and efficient. Thanks for your watching. Allah Hafiz.